Okay, and then we saw AC and the shit.
Last month, and he said that our rowing, canoeing, and kayak canoe is magnificent because all of the
The VIP should be here. The training will be there. The finish point is here. The VIP should be near the finish point. Now we cannot change.